Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Quatix 7, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set a custom watch face on your watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. So let's get started. Before we continue, if you want to use a custom watch face on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Also, you will need to install the Connect IQ Store application for this to work. And you can install it by going to the App Store and going to search for Connect IQ, and the app will be here in the App Store. It works on the iPhone and Android as well, so don't worry about that. So install this application. Once you install it, open it, and if your watch is paired with a phone, it should be right here as a device. And right here at the bottom on this bar, you will see this option called Face It. You can tap on it and then tap on Get Started. It will start installing a specific watch face on your watch, the custom one basically. And once it's done installing, it should appear, or you should be able to customize it. But let's wait. Let's skip this. This was installed. It should be right here, ready to be. Oh, so apparently it's still updating for some reason. Let's sync the devices together. You can go to device and tap on this icon to sync the watch. Let's retry. Something is not working properly, but it should be working. So let's close the app. Let's change the watch face to something else. Like this. Apply. I'm gonna turn off the Bluetooth to disconnect the devices, then turn it back on to reconnect them, and hopefully now it will solve the problem. So let's reopen the app. Let's check if the watch is connected. It is. Tap on Face It and see. Interesting. This never happened to me before, so that's something new. Let's see, is it installed here? It is installed here, so I'm gonna uninstall it, the Face It watch face, and let's try installing it again, basically. So let's go to Face It, get started. Let's reinstall it and see if it's gonna help. Okay, it's been installed, and this time it worked. Okay, that was weird, but we got through it, and now we can continue. And here we can tap on the plus button, and as you can see, we have options like photos, camera, and preset backgrounds. Preset background is basically something that is made by Garmin, and you can use it as a watch face. Camera allows you to take a camera photo with the camera on your phone, basically, and then use it as a watch face. And photos allows you to pick a photo from your phone. So if you have some photos in your gallery, you can pick them from there. So if I tap on photos, go to collections, downloads, I can pick a photo, and then I can customize it. So I can select the layout I prefer. Let's say I like maybe this one. Then we can add some features to our watch face. We can add data pools, like battery, for example. You can add more, like sunrise, steps, heart rate, and stuff like that. You can edit the data pools. You can tap on them and change the color of the icon, the text. So you can customize it a bit. You can do the same for the time. You can change the color, text, and outline color, hour font. You can change the fonts as well, as you can see. So there's quite a lot of customization, and you can customize it to your liking. And once you're done customizing your watch face, you can tap on Save, name it. And once you name it and save it, it will be added to the list right here at the bottom. And now you can pick from the watch faces you have saved, and you can tap on the Install button, and it will be installed on your watch. So if we go back, right here, it should be applied. And of course, you can install the ones right here on the list as well. Like this. And that's how you set up a custom watch face on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.